Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Kollywood Heroes Corona War animation video.
Yes, so this video is edited by Kathir Edits, and we
Yes.
got a lot of requests to do this, particularly Kathir Edits Kollywood Heroes Corona War animation video.
Yes.
So here it is for you guys. I really hope that you liked today's content, and this video is mainly on animation.
Animation
right?
and I think how Kollywood heroes are fighting against coronavirus.
Coronavirus, and it will be like looking like a war, and they
Yes.
will fighting against it.
Right.
Right, so it will be fun, I think, and let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो झट से let's get started.
Okay.
உலகை ஆட்டி படைத்து வரும் கொரோனா வைரஸ் 100க்கும் மேற்பட்ட நாடுகளில் கால் பதித்துள்ளது.
Stay home, stay safe.
பலியானவர்களின் எண்ணிக்கை
Death count.
உயர்ந்து கொண்டே வருகிறது.
It's increasing. It's alarming.
கொரோனாவுக்கு எதிரான ஊரடங்கு உத்தரவில் அடுத்து வரும் சில நாட்கள் மிக முக்கியமானவை என்பதால் யாரும் வீட்டை விட்டு வராமல் கண்காணிக்குமாறு மாநில அரசுகளுக்கு மத்திய அரசு உத்தரவிட்டுள்ளது. கொரோனா பரவலை தடுக்க சென்னை தீநகர் சுற்று வட்டாரங்களில் ட்ரோன் மூலம் கிருமிநாசினி தெளித்து சுத்தம் செய்யப்படுகிறது. டீக்கடைகள் திறந்திருக்கும் என்றும் ஆனால் கூட்டமாக நின்று தேநீர் அருந்துவதற்கு அனுமதி இல்லை என்றும் அறிவுறுத்தப்பட்டுள்ளது.
Present day. Okay. So here comes Master. Master is back now.
The animation is superb, right? That's exactly looking like Vijay sir. That music coming out.
கொரோனா தொடர்பாக விழிப்புணர்வு ஏற்படுத்தும் விதமாக பிரம்மாண்ட ஓவியம் வரையப்பட்டுள்ளது. தனிநபர் இடைவெளியின் அவசியத்தை
Street art about Corona. Public art project. Wow. Nice.
Okay, here comes coronavirus.
Okay. Baap re.
It's looking dangerous.
Ah, the doctors are like.
Oof,
Wow.
super.
Vijay Anna.
Master is back.
Superb.
Gone. But they'll reborn again.
நீ அடிச்ச அடி விழும் நான் அடிச்ச இடி விழும் யாராவது டாக்டர் கூப்பிட்டீங்களா ஆம்புலன்ஸுக்கு சொன்னீங்களா
Okay. He's like a superhero, saving the city or doctors.
That ringtone also.
Caller tune.
ஹே गाइस
Kollywood.
அந்த இடத்துல கொஞ்சம் பிரச்சனை இங்க கொஞ்சம் நிறைய வேலைகள் இருக்கு ஸோ நீங்க எல்லாரும் இன்னைக்கு
Okay.
இப்பவே
So he's calling everybody now.
All the heroes will come
Yes.
now. It is regenerating.
அச்சோ
My goodness, this is big
Baap
one.
re, beta. The biggest one. Now I think more heroes will come. Ah, this one.
I think Ajit sir, right?
शायद हाँ
Ah.
शायद
Oof, gone.
Wow.
Oof, super entry.
சூப்பர்
Super.
super As made brilliantly, right?
Yeah.
So much similar.
Okay. Now they will finish.
Slow motion also.
Yeah.
Nice.
முன்னாடியே வந்துட்டீங்க போல் இருக்கு.
ஐஎம்ஏகே அஜய்குமார்.
சார் நீங்க எங்க சரிங்க?
சொல்லலாம் வேணாம், வெறும் ஏகேன்னு கூப்பிட்டா
No
போதும்.
need to call me sir. Just call me AK.
Okay.
அண்ணா 2 டீ.
Oh, Rajni sir.
சார் நீங்க எங்க சரிங்க? ஃபிஃப்த் ஃபோர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு ஒன்றை பத்தி அறிவியல் உலகம் இன்னும் ஆராய்ச்சி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. அது என்ன பண்ணும்? அதை
Okay, I think Chitti will come now.
Chitti.
நமக்கு தெரிஞ்ச அறிவியல் வச்சுக்கிட்டு இந்த ஃபோர்ஸ் பத்தி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண முடியாது. இப்போ நம்ம கிட்ட இருக்கிற வசதிகளை வச்சுக்கிட்டு இதை எதிர்க்கவும் முடியாது. என்ன பண்ணலாம் சொல்லுங்க? அதை எதிர்த்து நிற்க நமக்கு ஒரு சூப்பர் பவர் வேணும்.
The superpower.
அசாதாரண இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் வேணும். சாகாத ஒரு மனுஷன் வேணும். இது ஒரு பெரிய அழிவோட ஆரம்பம். இப்பவே தடுக்கலைன்னா நம்ம கூண்டோட அழிவோம். அதுக்கு சிட்டியை விட்டா வேற வழியே இல்லை.
Okay. Here comes Chitti.
Oh.
What a Superman.
Chitti. Version
Version
2.0.
2.0. All target set.
Wow.
Gone. All gone. He's built
Zero
brilliantly.
balance.
This may be a form of fifth force. விட்டிருந்த ஊரே அடிச்சிருக்கு. சிக்கி மறுபடியும் வந்ததால மட்டும்தான் காப்பாற்ற முடியும்.
Okay, again this. Another virus is coming now. And this big one is came with some powerful guns. Okay, with commandos.
Ah.
My God. Okay,
Who's
Here
that?
comes-
Dhanush.
okay.
कौन है ये?
Kathy actor, Dhanush brother or what I think. The Surya brother, I think.
Kathy. Surya.
That trailer we had done, right?
சாவதா இருந்தாலும் சண்டை போட்டு சாவணும் சார், பயந்து காலில் ஊற்றி சாப்பிட்டு.
Okay, we also can. Dhanush is
Dhanush.
back.
वो कौन है वो मैं पहचान नहीं पाई.
One trailer we have done.
I am your
Kathy.
dad.
Yes.
अच्छा कत्थी में तो वो थे ना विजय ना.
Kathy.
अच्छा कत्थी में थे ना.
அங்க வாட்ச் நினைக்கிறேன்.
सूर्या सर.
Surya is back. And Vikram sir. Oh, this is Vikram sir, right? Ah.
Yes.
சும்மா கிழிய போது.
They are all here now. Now you see this one. Super.
The battle is on. Fight.
What? Full game mode on. Wow.
Full game over.
Surya should come in Aparicit look, I think.
Yeah.
That would have been more better. Okay, soldiers.
Yes, it was showing.
சுடுங்கடா அந்த குருவி.
2.0.
Wow.
வெளியே யாராலையும் அடக்க
Okay.
இந்த போராட்டத்துல கடைசி
More and more they are coming.
ப்ரோ அங்க வாட்ச் மெக்கானிக் அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப சர்வசாதாரணமான விஷயம்.
Okay, time machine. You're going to back time. Okay, so you will catch the origin
Okay.
from where it started. It's generated.
This is a China, I think. Okay. Cool. Wow.
Wow,
Wow, man.
good concept, and I
concept.
think we need a time machine
Yes. Seriously, it
Yes.
gives a message to the society that we have to be unite
Yes.
to fight against this
anything.
pandemic situation.
Yes.
If we go to the past days, we can find the root cause of it,
But
and we
that
can
is not possible.
that is not possible. But yeah,
We have to live
it
with
was
the present
made very
and,
beautifully.
Yes.
Yes, the animation was done superbly.
Yes.
Okay, each
I love
and
that
every
animation. I don't
character's
know.
face
This,
was appropriate, similar.
This guy Kathir,
Kathir
it's,
it is.
I don't know, this single person or a group of team.
Maybe
he's
group
having.
of team.
So
A
he has
lot
done
of-
this job brilliantly.
Brilliantly.
I like this animation. I think
Correct.
he should start some animation channels or something.
He has,
for-
I think. He has.
This is for
animation
only for
channel.
this kind of videos,
Huh.
but I think for kids or a lot of the different kind of animations we used to see. So I think he can contribute a lot. He has that stamina, and also ideas were brilliant.
Brilliant ideas, and also storyline. It has a storyline. Some videos we saw that nothing is there, like no storyline is there, only the animation is there in the video. But
That's
here one message is there, a storyline is there, how they are fighting with the coronavirus. Firstly, the Vijay sir will come, and after that he will call all of his fellow heroes, and they will come and they will try to kill the virus. But
Yes.
it was
They will
difficult.
unite and fight against the virus.
They are regenerating again and again. Like the situation, the virus is not
Under
fully-
control right now.
Yes, under control. Well, it is still there
Means
in
it's,
the
I'm
environment.
saying it's not under control right
Yeah,
now. Yes.
so that is why they decided to go to the past to find the root cause. I think it has a touch of 24, the movie, right?
Yes,
The
right.
time machine wala concept.
Right.
So I really like the whole concept of the scene. It was like brilliantly done. We enjoyed a lot. Like if
yes.
you ask me, I don't like that kind of animation videos and games and everything, because I am that kind of personality. But still, I like it. I
and also,
still like
and also
it.
in this scene also we have that
Yeah.
sound music
Music
whatever
sounds.
he have added. It was brilliant.
Brilliant.
And also while playing a lot of the
Superb.
games also we
Yeah.
used to heard this kind of music.
Music. So he
With
has
that concept he came with this kind of video.
correct. So by this video only we got to know that this guy is having a good knowledge on animation, right?
Of
He's
course.
having. So seriously, thank you, Kathir. You have done a great job,
A brilliant
job, and we enjoyed a lot. I think people also are enjoying your
Yes.
videos a lot. By seeing your views
Right.
only, we can understand, and that's a great thing. Okay, so it is very good when you are contributing or when you are making some videos by
Yes.
your own efforts and
I think
all.
this
People
kind of
will appreciate
videos
that
is
very
totally unique concept.
unique concept. Correct.
Yes.
And yes, what character do you like the most in this video?
I like all the characters. They have a unique power.
Powers.
In this video itself,
Ah.
he has shown that each and every character they all is having different type of powers, and
Very
everybody is using their own power to fight against
Fight
coronavirus.
against coronavirus. I really like Rajnikant sir's get up, because it has the touch of that his own character Chitti is making. He is still the professor who is the scientist and all. So that I can really relate. So I will give 10 out of 10.
Of course, 10 out of 10. I
this
haven't
video
seen this kind of
deserve it.
animation right away.
Correct. And and it is a very good concept now during this COVID-19 situation.
At least people
So,
will enjoy it.
people will enjoy. Yeah, so great work by Kathir Edits, and it is a 10 on 10 from your
Yes.
side. Okay, I really hope that you will also like today's content. Now this is the time to read the comments for today. So the first comment for today's video is from Dynamo Editor, and he is commenting, please react to Kollywood Corona Heroes.
Yes.
Yeah, today's video is that about only, and we got a lot of requests also in different platform to do the reaction video on this particular Kathir Edits animation video. So here it is for you guys. I really hope that you like, and if you like, don't forget to like and please leave your valuable comment on the comment section. So thank you so much for commenting and for appreciating and for watching our videos.
So the second comment for today is from Vishnu Dilip, and he is writing his comment on Bahubali singing Kiss Me reaction, and he is saying that really appreciate the video, awesome edit. I can't find much appreciation in the comment section. All I can see is please react, find some time to appreciate.
Yes,
So,
that's true.
yes.
Actually, people sometimes forget to appreciate, but it's okay.
It's okay.
People
It's people
like-
people are viewing or liking, we take it as a good appreciation.
good appreciation only, but yeah, it feels good if you
Write
give
down
some
your
appreciation, or
appreciation.
you just write your appreciation to
Yes.
choose the video that your video choosing ability is good, or this kind of content we have not seen. And also original video link also was given in the description bar. You can go and check the original video also, give some appreciation to them also who has
Right.
made the original video, and also as well as we
Yes.
who is reacting. So people
Actually,
are
that's why
always give
mainly that's why
suggestions.
we generally give the original video link also, so that
Yeah.
after watching our reaction as well, people can go and watch the original content also.
Yes, so it is very good to see that you kind of like Vishnu, you also give appreciation, and some of the people also, most of our friends also give appreciation, but some of them are not. So that
That's
is
true.
very hurting, you can say. At the same time, we are thinking it's okay, no problem. Yeah, it's okay. Like and views also matters for us.
Yes.
So that is the thing, and thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos, Vishnu. That means a lot to us. So the third comment for today's video is from Vignesh Vicky, and he is commenting, more mashup for Vijay is waiting. We are also waiting for your reactions. Please do more Vijay reaction. And he is commenting on Talapati Vijay's birthday special mashup 2020. Yeah, it will be coming because this is the month of Talapati Vijay's birthday, and we have a lot of plan for his birthday, and I know that a lot of mashups will be coming up, and we will be giving a reaction of each and every
Yes, exactly.
videos
We have
of
that plan.
Yeah. So we have a special plan also for Vijay's birthday on the special day 22nd, and please stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching and for commenting on our video. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family.
Yes.
See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.